In this video, I'm going to discuss with you this new airdrop project that can make you millions of naira before the end of the year. You see, you won't know how important and powerful cryptocurrency is until you make a lot of money from it by simply completing some easy tasks. Like, you can make a lot of money from crypto without investing any money into it. All you have to do is just mine airdrops for free. A lot of people miss out on NOTCOIN. NOTCOIN was successfully launched and people, including myself, made profit from it, while some other people missed out on that project. You are about to miss out on another project if you do not watch this video till the very end. So if you miss out on NOTCOIN, there is a very strong project that is out right now and is very similar to NOTCOIN. It is doing exactly what NOTCOIN has done. This project is huge and promising. So I wouldn't want you to miss out on this project. The project I'm talking about right now is YESCOIN. YESCOIN has a lot of potential and it is a project that you should jump on right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and mine this new project, how you can maximize its potential, how to speed up your mining process, and I will set up a new account to mine this project so that we can go through the process together. My name is Audele Julius, and on this channel, I make videos on how to make money both online and offline, which include crypto-related content, investment, financial management, and every other thing you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, can you like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I drop important videos like this one. To start mining YESCOIN, the first thing you have to do if you do not have a Telegram app is to download a Telegram app. Then you sign up. And after signing up your Telegram account, the next thing to do is to go to the first link in the description of this video and click on it. But if you have a Telegram account already, just go to the description of this video and click on the first link to set up your YESCOIN bot. YESCOIN mining is very easy and it is entirely done on Telegram. So let us go to my phone so that I can show you the process of mining your YESCOIN token.
So immediately you click on that link, it will bring you to this page where you can start mining your coin. So for using the link, you will get a gift, then you can click open. So you get 177,860 token of YESCOIN. Then you proceed to play YESCOIN. So for using that link, you've gotten more than 100,000 tokens already. So you start playing. For this particular token, YESCOIN, you have to swipe either to the left, right, up, or down. So that is the difference between this token and other tokens. You have to swipe here, and some other tokens you have to type or do some other things. So you click on back to game. So you can see now you can actually swipe to get your token. YESCOIN have several other features. Like I said, you have to swipe your finger to the left, to the right, up or down to mine the YESCOIN token. So this is where you see the total balance of the coin you have accumulated. And if you use the link in the description of this video to set up your YESCOIN, you get a bonus of about 150,000 YESCOIN token. And that is kind of huge. So the next thing you have to do right now is to tap on N. So this is N down here. And you have to have it at the back of your mind that mining of this token might stop anytime soon. And that is why you have to jump on it right now and try as much as possible to accumulate a lot of this token so that when it gets listed, you can earn something reasonable. So you have to click on the end section, like I said, to complete some few tasks. You see, airdrop is about completing tasks and doing some little things. So when you click on it will bring you to this interface. And on this interface, you're going to complete some tasks. This tax is for you to earn more tokens. Like right now, if you check our balance, we have about 171,991 token of YESCOIN. So now when we complete our tax, we'll go back and check the balance. So you will see that it has really increased. So the first thing we have to do right now is to connect our wallet. So you click on connect wallet, then you tap connect wallet again. So now we are supposed to connect our wallet to this YESCOIN. So we can connect our Tonkeeper, your Ton wallet, your Ton Hub, or you can easily connect your Telegram wallet. And to connect your Telegram wallet, you click on Open Wallet in Telegram. Like every Telegram account has a wallet because Telegram is very big on cryptocurrency. They are big supporter of cryptocurrency, so they have a wallet. But most people don't just know that Telegram has a wallet. So you click on Open Wallet in Telegram. I agree. Then continue. So it's going to load. So you click on Start Exploring on Backup via email. So you have to back this up so that all your keys will be stored in your email so that you will not lose your wallet. So click on Backup via email. Then you enter the email that you want to back your Telegram wallet on. So let me enter an email. So immediately you enter your mail, you get a code. So you enter the code here so that you can verify that you are the owner of the email you register your wallet with. So I'm going to enter the code, and that's all. Our wallet has been successfully connected to our YESCOIN. Then connect wallet. And as you can see right now, there's a green tick here, meaning that we have successfully connected the wallet and we get 500,000 YESCOIN token for connecting our wallet. So before we are having about 100,000 token, now we have 500 extra, that is like 600,000 token. So the next task is to click on up to good here so that we can get another 100,000 YESCOIN token. So we click on this and we click on claim. So if you are not qualified for this year, it's not going to claim, so it's going to show not qualifying. Then you just have to leave this and come back to it later. So let's go and complete other tasks that we can easily complete and get more token. So the next thing we have to do right now is to repost. We have to retweet a post. So that's YESCOIN Hero RT post. You click on it to get another 200,000 YESCOIN. So let's do that. All you just have to do is to check about the post so that you see if it's something that is actually nice for you to put on your page. But all I can see here is that YESCOIN is campaigning against scam. So that is what this is all about. Please stop all scam activity. You can just repost, and immediately you are done with reposting, you go back to your YESCOIN and you get your 200,000 YESCOIN token. So the next task is another Twitter repost about Yes Universe. Yeah, about Yes Universe. Then we have to click on that again to get another 150,000 token. So you repost, you do the same thing you did the other time. It's just a repost. Then you go back to your YESCOIN and you get your 150,000 token. So even doing this, we'll be getting about 1 million token announcement. So you read the announcement. So doing that again, we get our 100,000 token. Now that we are done with the onboarding section, we can now proceed to explore. Now this explore, we have to complete some other tasks, like we have to join the Telegram channel of YESCOIN. We have to follow them on X. We have to join their group. We have to retweet their pin post. We have to visit Binance and visit Citizen. Now to join the Telegram channel, we'll just click on join channel, and for that we are going to get in 100,000 YES token. So you click on that and you join. So after joining, you go back to your YESCOIN. You'll be credited the 100,000. So you just make sure that you conclude every task. So let me just do this as fast as possible so that we can jump and do the other things that we are supposed to do. So right now I've completed all the tasks that we are supposed to complete in this section, the onboarding section and the explore section. So I think we should be having almost 1 million YESCOIN token at the moment, because we've actually accumulated a lot of YESCOIN token completing these tasks. So right now I will go back to the home section so that we can see how much we've accumulated. So before we started this task, we have about 170,000 YESCOIN token, but right now we have 1.6,087,991 YESCOIN token. So I think that is really massive. We've actually done a lot of things. So considering the fact that we've gotten about 1.7 million YESCOIN token, we're still not going to stop, because our plan is to get more token before mining is stopped. So you can refer your friends by clicking on the friend section down here. So you click on friends, then you click on send to invite. So you share. So from there, you can now copy your links and send it to your friend so that they can actually register. And once they register, you get more token, and they also get about 150,000 YESCOIN token. So it's like a win-win. So this will make you have more coin, and they will also get welcoming coin of about 150,000 token. Now the next thing is to go to boost. So boost is down here. So this boost section is where you boost your mining power. So with this, your mining becomes faster and kind of automatic, because normally the mining of this project is kind of slow. But with this boost, we can increase the speed of our mining so that we can accumulate a lot of tokens before mining stops. So every day you're giving a free daily booster. We have the chest, The chest is right here, and we have the full recovery. So as you can see, here we have a chest 3/3 available, and the full recovery we have 3/3 available. So as it is indicated there, it means that you can use this 3 times daily. You can use the chest 3 times daily. You can use the full recovery 3 times daily. So the chest is like a gift box that lets you claim ×2 of your token. So let's see right now. So as you can see, when I swipe, I have +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. So now let me go and click on my chest. So I have the chest icon here already. So once I click on it, then you can see everything is now +2, +2, +2, +2, +2. So the chest icon will help you claim ×2 the value of your YESCOIN token. So that is for the chest. So we still have 2 chances of using the chest icon before the end of the day. So you can only use it 3 times in a day. So as you can see, I still have 2 out of 3. And for the full recovery, it is to refill my token after I've swiped everything. So let me show you now. If you check this bar down here, you'll see 106. So assuming I finish swiping everything and that bar goes down to 0, then I can now click on full recovery, and it will be filled back to 4,000 tokens. So I can now start swiping my tokens again. So that is the advantage of the full recovery and the chest. So the other section here is the boosters. So here we have multi-value. When you click on this, it will increase the value of each coin you mine. So let's say you click on this now. Let's level up. So when I click on this, they are going to deduct only 200 YESCOIN from my token. So let's level up, and now let's go back. So now when we swipe, we have +2, +2, +2. That means that the value of our token has increased. So you can keep increasing, it. So you can tap on it again to increase the value of your token again. It will add +1 to it. So you can keep doing this till you reach the value that you are satisfied with. So I can still keep doing it until I get to like +10. So I'm doing this will make my mining very fast. You know, when I'm having +10, +10, it cannot be compared to the person that is mining at the rate of +1, +1. But just have it at the back of your mind that you will be charged a little token to increase the value of your token. If I want to increase the value again with +1, I will be charged 500 tokens. So let's increase that again, level up, then back. So right now you're going to see that our token is going to be having +3, +3, +3, +3, +3. So that is the advantage of multi-value on the booster section. So here we still have the coin limit, we have the fill rate, we have the yes pack. And the one I really love the most is this yes pack, but we're still going to get there. So the next one now is the coin limit. As you can see, the coin limit of my coin right here is 4,000. Like I said the other time, the coin limit is 4,000. That is the highest token I can get on this bar that is down here, is 4,000. So now if I want to increase that, I will just click on the coin limit and it will increase it by 250, and I will be charged 200 YES token. But I think it's still worth it. So my token will be increased from 4,000 to 4,250, and I'll be charged only 200 tokens. So let's do that. Now back. As you can see, we now have 4,250 tokens. So if you want to increase it again, we'll go to boost, we'll go to coin limit, we'll increase it again by clicking level up. As you can see right here, increase total coin limit plus 500 for the next level. Now we're going to be charged 500 tokens again. And if you check it again, we have 4,750 tokens. So we can keep increasing this to like 8,000 or to any amount we want to increase it to, so that we can mine faster. Just have it at the back of your mind that you'll be charged a little token. A little token will be deducted from your token balance. It's not as if you are going to pay an extra cash. No, but you'll be charged a little token from your token balance. And the other one here is the fill rate. So this fill rate is the level at which your coin fills up after you swipe everything. Like if I swipe everything that is here and this place is back to 0, the level at which it will quickly refill itself. So if you want it to refill very fast, because actually the refilling is very slow. Now, if you want it to fill up very fast, you click on the fill rate and you level up. So with every level up, it will be increased with like 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. So we can actually do this so that our coin will quickly level up, so that when we finish mining the set of coin that are available for us, it will quickly fill up again. So that is for the free rate. And the last one here is the yes pack. So this is my best booster. Like, it helps me to mine and also do other things at the same time. Instead of using my hand to swipe left, right, up and down like I'm doing right now. So this yes pack will give me a bot that will mine this token for me automatically. So that is why I actually like the yes pack booster. So now let's go and buy the yes pack. As you can see right now, we have about 5 levels of the yes pack. So the first level is going to give us a bot that is like 8 times faster than you doing it manually. And the level 2 is going to give you a bot that can mine offline. So when you drop your phone, probably when you want to sleep, it's going to keep mining for the next 2 hours before it stops. And the level 3 will give you the one that will mine for 12 hours offline. So right now, I just want to buy the one that is going to mine for me automatically. This is not the offline one. But I will advise you to buy the offline one if you have a lot of token, if you have a lot of balance. So right now I'm going to buy it for the level 1. Now back. So as you can see right now, the bot is mining it for me automatically. So right now I can just drop my phone and get busy doing something else, and my mining will be automatic. As you can see, we have about 1.7 million before, and they've deducted 500,000 tokens. So we still have about 1.1 million. And with this, it will help our mining to be faster. And with time, we just get back to 1.7 million that we are in the first place. And we keep it up, we keep going. So like I said, you can still buy another bot, the one that is going to mine like 2 hours offline. And like that. Just have it at the back of your mind that you'll be charged for all these things that you are doing. But I think it's worth it. It's actually worth it because it will make your mining faster. If you see, some people have about 80 million tokens, some people have about 40 million tokens, 90 million tokens, and it's because they did all these things, they put all these things in place. That is why they were able to reach that milestone. So I will advise that you actually take time to set up your YESCOIN so that you can mine a lot of tokens before the mining stops. And as you can see in this tutorial video, we've been able to accumulate a lot of YESCOIN token. We've been able to accumulate almost 2 million YESCOIN token before we used part of our token to boost the speed of our mining so that we can be able to also accumulate more. So you can see it is very easy, and it is something you should actually jump on right now. So these are the things you need to understand about the YESCOIN token and the mining system. So in my next video, I will discuss with you another token you can start mining and will also get listed before the end of the year, which can also make you a reasonable amount of money. If you have not started mining YESCOIN, please do start right now, and do not forget to join our Telegram channel where we share crypto and finance related updates, and I will attach the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.